Another financial quarter has come to an end. As a rule, this affects the quotes of the major instruments like the US dollar, the yen and others. As we can see, since morning, the US dollar index has reached the target level of 93.40 and then fell slightly. Currently, a steady rally in the bond market is setting the tone for the market. How long will it last? The dollar-yen pair is likely to reverse upwards. In general, Wednesday is going to be quite eventful. Let's start with the US dollar index. On Tuesday, it rose sharply against all major currencies. It reached an annual high against the yen and conquered a new 4-month peak against the euro. Currently, the bond market determines market sentiment. The 10-year Treasury yield totals 1.7%, which has not been seen since January. In the afternoon, the United States is going to release Non-Farm Payrolls data for March, as well as the pending home sales index. If these key reports turned out to be positive, the US dollar will go up to the target level of 93.50. The dollar-yen pair broke above the target level of 110.37 yesterday, as expected. Now it may try to touch the 112.80 level. However, experts reckon that the pair is unlikely to break through this level as there are many strong historical levels on its way up. For instance, we can see the high of 111.39 locked on October 2018, which is also the May high of the same year. These are the main resistance levels that the pair needs to break to move up. At the same time, the rally is always under the risk of forming a reversal divergence on the daily chart. If the divergence occurs, which is most likely, it may start from the level of 111.39. So, the pair is projected to advance to this level from where a deep correction may take place. Yesterday, the Australian dollar broke the level of 0.7641. It closed the day with a decline of 37 pips. There was no consolidation, so there is a high probability of a downward movement before entering the oversold zone. The pair may drop to the target levels of 0.7565 and 0.7500. The first target level of 0.7565 is very likely to be broken today. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.